everyone, my name is Zoe, I work at the Solar Centre, and today we are going to be unboxing and telling you everything you need to know about the Elan Multicoloured Festoon Solar Lights. Let's get going. So in the box we have the instructions, a stake for the solar panel, and the Festoon lanterns. So the solar panel is attached to these lantern lights. There is 2 meters of cable between the solar panel and the first light. So you can put the solar panel in a bright sunny place and then hang the lantern up as you would. So there are 20 of these lanterns and they are 5 centimeters wide. The solar panel is made of a high grade polycrystalline and the lanterns are red, blue, yellow and green. The solar panel uses AA rechargeable batteries, which you can also purchase on our website. And these Festoon lights are solar powered, which means that you can really hang them anywhere in your garden and not be reliant on mains cables. So switching them on is very simple. The back of the solar panel has an on and off button there and a mode button just on the other side. All you have to do is push down the on and off button. And this is what they look like. These lights come with the battery included and a year's warranty. There is also 10 meters worth of string. If you're looking for a different light to offer great performance at a great price as well, this is the light for you. So this light gives you up to 10 hours of runtime, and the solar panel has a dusk sensor, which means that as soon as it detects daylight, it's going to turn the lights off and the solar panel is going to get to charging them back up. It adds a festival sphere to any outdoor party, and it is the perfect light to decorate your garden with. If you enjoyed this video, please make sure to give it a like, and if you have any questions about this product or about any of the products that we sell, please just comment it down below and I will get back to you with the answer. And we will see you on the next one.